Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. Alright, guys, so you wish for songs, I bring them up here for you. And this time we have again Aaron A. You wished for another Aurora song. The last one was That Simple. I thought, hey, what's up? We're gonna bring up two here. And this one is Seed, alright? Very strong song there from Aurora. So thank you, Aaron A. Never heard this song before. So thank you for highlighting this one, and this is for you and all you Aurora fans. So let's take a look at Seed, and like you heard here, I showed you one version of just playing the plain chords here for the song. Simple strumming pattern, and that's all you need. And then I just kind of took off in somewhat of freestyle playing, and not that prepared at all, actually, just from my head, how the song sounds in my head, and I took off from there. But anyway, we're gonna look at this stripped down version of this plain chords and this simple strumming pattern. That's it. All right, so let's take a look at Aurora Seed with the capo set here on the 3rd fret. With that, we have a couple of chords to go over. So let's start with A minor. That is the base of the song, A minor. So open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the C. Very easy transition there from this A minor to take the ring finger up to 3rd fret A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the D. That's the final chord here. This is a D version of it. So open D, second G, third B, and open E in the end there. So there you have the 4 chords, A minor, C, E minor, and D. And that's what we're gonna work with. So go back to A minor. We're gonna look at the strumming pattern here. And it goes, that is 1 round. So it's down, down, clap, down. So a short little pause there, whatever we're gonna call it, after the clap, and the final down there, and then it goes for another round there. So down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. All right, so 1 round is down, down, clap, down. All right, let's take a look at the different parts here. We have verse. It goes A minor, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, E minor 2, and D 2. So A minor, C, E minor, and D. We're gonna play 2 rounds. That's it for the verse. Over to pre-chorus. Here, you're gonna play just the A minor, and I'm gonna actually give you the notes for this up-tempo beat or melody, whatever you're gonna call it. But first, this is based upon the A minor only. So if you choose to play just the strumming, which is perfectly fine, then you're gonna play 3.5 rounds, so to speak. So you're gonna play A minor for 3 rounds. And then on the 4th round, you're just gonna play the 2 downs plus a pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus. So okay, and that is the strumming version of it. I'm gonna give you the notes for the melody, and it could sound something like this. Okay, so you're gonna stay with the A minor, and I suggest you hold the full chord as it is. You're gonna play 2 downs on the bass string, so around this A string area. Okay, then you're gonna play with short downstrokes, or if you're gonna go just with the melody, it's up to you. I play short downstrokes and I try to emphasize certain strings, all right? So the strings or notes I'm gonna emphasize is the one I'm gonna show you now. So 2 downs on bass string, and then comes first B, open B, open G, and second G. That's the first half of it. You end that with a clap. And then it follows second G, first B, open B, open G, and second G. And that is one round. And it's like playing one strum round on A minor. So that is one round. You go and play that for 3 rounds. And then since the strumming was 3.5 round, you're gonna play into the 4th round the part till you play the clap. Okay, so on the 4th round here, you're gonna end with like that, and a pause. So slowly it goes. For 3 rounds. When with the strings around supporting, and in tempo it goes. And then comes the chorus. All right, a cool pre-chorus there. Over to chords, you're gonna play the strumming here. You're gonna play A minor, 2 string rounds, C 2 string rounds, D 2 string rounds, and A minor 2 string rounds. So it both starts and ends on A minor, and then of course you're gonna go into 2nd round and play A minor again. So 1.5 round, or I'm gonna play 1 full round for you and into the 2nd round, so you see how it connects with the A minors there. So it goes A minor 2, C2, D2, and A minor 2. 2nd round, A minor 2. So on. All right, took off a bit there again, got the feeling. Anyway, this is Aurora's Seed. So it's for you, Aaron A. Thank you for being here on Going Guitar. And for all the Aurora fans, she will be back here for sure here, Aurora, that means. So if you like her, subscribe to this channel and support me here. So yeah, just remember, like Aurora said, you cannot eat money. And that's a good end of this tutorial. So thank you everybody, and play tuned.